to be trying out the 4HD Brows Eyeshadow Trio Palettes. Firstly, I'm going to be using the Amber palette. Lovely opulent shades in Opal, Amber and Fossil. To begin, I'm outlining the natural contour of the eye with the darkest shade in the palette to give the eye some definition. I'm then going to apply the beautiful amber shade all over the lid to create a really bold and shimmery eye look. Lastly, I'm going to use the highlighting shade in the inner corners of the eye, and it's also the perfect tone to highlight under the brow.
Without half time alone.
Next up, I'm going to be trying the Copper palette. This palette is my personal favourite as I love wearing warm gold and browny tones. For this eye look, I'm starting in the inner corner and applying across the full lid. Next, I'm using the brown tone to contour the eye socket, blending it nicely with the gold tone. I'm then going to apply the brown shade under the eye using the smudger brush to create a smoky eye look. Finally, I'm using the lightest shade to highlight the brow bone. Next is the Emerald palette. Most people are scared of using green eyeshadows, but this palette's shades really complement each other and allow you to create an emerald look that's not too out there. Firstly, I'm using the Topaz shade to very subtly contour my eye socket. I'm then applying the emerald green shade across my entire lid and then blending in. Finally, I'm using the lightest shade to highlight the inner corner of the eye and my brow bone. Lastly, I'm using the Platinum palette, which is full of cool steel and ashy tones. To begin, again I'm using the middle shade to contour the eye. I'm then using the darkest Platinum shade to apply to the inner and outer edges of my eye. Next, I'm using the highlighting shade in the centre of the lid to create a spotlight effect and make the eyes pop. Finally, making sure there are no harsh lines, I'm using the eye blending brush to smoke out the colour.
Without